Hello everyone, if you are facing this same error, I'm going to share the finest step, the easiest method to solve this problem. The error: fix Adobe error code 4 installation failed. This problem we are facing lots of trouble and causing lots of trouble for us, and I also face the same problem, and luckily I have got the simplest method to solve this problem. So without making any ado, let's start. So first of all, you have to visit the official page of Adobe Cleaner tool. Then you have to select Windows from there and the operating system options, and you have to click the blue download button here. What next? After that, locate the downloaded file. You have downloaded the file, right? Then you have to right click it, then select run as administrator to ensure the tool has proper system access. And then when the prompt arrives, select your language by pressing the E key, and that will be the English, followed by enter. Accept the terms and conditions by pressing Y, and then you have to click the enter button. The tool will display its main interface like this. After that, enter the number corresponding to your desired cleanup action. You have to type 1, that will remove all Adobe products, and you have to type 6, that will remove only Creative Cloud. For error code 4, we recommend selecting 1, all, as it truly removes all Adobe components that might be causing the installation conflicts. So after typing 1, you have to press enter to proceed. Then the tool will display a list of installed Adobe products. You have to select the clean all option by entering its number and pressing enter. After that, you have to restart your computer. It's necessary to restart your computer after the cleanup completes before attempting to reinstalling the Adobe software. This is the finest method to solve this problem, and you don't have to go through any complicated steps to solve this problem. So I hope this video helped you, and let's end our video. Tada.